What's up, everybody? Josh here. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm out in Wesley Chapel, Florida, and Persimmon Park in Wiregrass area. So I'm going to take you on a tour of a couple of new construction homes. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below, but enough talking, let's start today's tour. So I'm going to talk a little loud because they're doing some construction 2 houses down, but this is the Redwood floor plan. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2104 square feet, 3-car garage. Originally listed at $593,310. It has been reduced just a little over $3,300 down to $589,990. And at the time of filming, there's an additional $30,000 incentive that you can reduce the price even more. HOA fees $133 a month, and the CDD fee is $2239 per year. The garage is in the back, it's detached, I'll show you that, but there is parking spaces in the front. Right across from it is the playground, the pool, dog park. So all the amenities are right out the front door. That's either a good thing or a bad thing, depending on who you are. But you come on up, have your front porch here. Nice covered front porch. Let's go inside and take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So you come in, you have the LVP flooring. Right here to the right is going to be a flex room. You could use this as a 3rd bedroom if you wanted to. It does have the French doors, so obviously if you use it as a bedroom, I put some curtains up or swap out the doors. And then you have a closet right there. Right, continuing on, nice wide hallway. You have the kitchen right here. Nice big island with quartz countertops. And then behind here is going to be your pantry. Tile backsplash, electric cooktop, stainless steel range hood. And in the island, you have your stainless steel dishwasher, undermount sink there. You got your pendant lights, wall-mounted oven and microwave, and then your refrigerator would go there. Living room area here. You do have power in the floor there. Let's go over here real quick. Down this way, air handler there. Nothing entertaining. Bedroom number 1. Nice size bedroom. You do have your walk-in closet, or step-in closet, I like to call them. All right. Then right out of the bedroom, you have bathroom number 1. All right, so continuing on through the living room. The dining area is going to be right here. You have the 2 windows there, the 1 can light. A little extra space here. You got your triple sliders. As you see right out back, that's the detached garage. We'll go out there in a second. And then over here, it's going to be your laundry room. You can access the master suite from there, so we'll do that in a minute. And then you have your water heater right here. Door to go out to the lanai. Come into the master bedroom. Nice amount of windows. Nice size bedroom. And then into the bath, you have your dual vanity, framed mirrors, nice size walk-in shower with the tile all the way up to the ceiling. And then back here is going to be your toilet, access to the laundry room, and then your walk-in closet. All right, let's, hit the door stopper with my foot. All right, through the laundry room, Right out the door here, come out to the covered lanai. Very nice size covered lanai, but I mean, you don't have a yard really. But this type of home is not really designed for a yard. You got a little bit of space here, a little bit of space there, and then into your 3-car garage, and it is covered. So when you come in, you don't have to worry about rain. So you have your 3-car garage here. And then I'll show you what it looks like. So with this style of home, you come down an alley to access your garage. So you have the little alley here. Then you have your 3-car garage there. So that's going to do it for this one. Once again, this is the Redwood floor plan by David Weekley. Right, this is the Mapleton floor plan by David Weekley. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,014 square feet, 2-car garage. Originally listed at $578,325. It has been reduced just a little over $13,000 down to $564,990. At the time of filming, there's a $30,000 incentive that you can reduce that price even more. So let me pan around and show you what it looks like over here. There's still a building, pond across the street, and then you have your parking in the front right here. Obviously you have your garage too. It's the same as the other one, just across the alleyway. I'm gonna walk around because that's brand new sod and I don't want to sink in it. So let's go over here. Got your stone on the front, nice columns here. But let's go inside, take a look at this one, and let me know what you think about it in the comments below. At the front door, you have your LVP flooring. Right here to the right is going to be your flex room with your French doors. Right over here, down the hall, you're going to have your first bathroom, white cabinets, quartz countertops, frame around the mirror, tub and shower combo there. Then a bedroom number 1. And you have your step-in closet. At the end of the hall here, you're gonna have your linen closet. And then bedroom number 2. The pull-out doors there for the closet. Just a standard closet. And then behind this door right here is just your air handler. All right, continuing on down to the right, you're gonna have a coat closet here. And then your laundry room, got the tile floor. Washer and dryer would obviously go there. And then you have a laundry sink and a counter. Continuing on, right into the kitchen, you have your big island here. More of a, I mean, yeah, it's an island, but it's, add some bar stools here and hang out because your dishwasher and sink and all that stuff is in the, regular countertop and cabinet area. And then this one has the slide-in range instead of a cooktop, and then the microwave above. And then your pantry here. Nice big open. This would be your dining area here, and then your living room / family room. That door go out to the garage, so no sliding glass doors in this one. The garage is actually locked on this one, so I can't show you, but we'll walk out there anyway, at least show you the back side of it so you can see down the alley. We're just across the alley from the first home. So actually you've already, I'll show you either way. That way you can see it. And it's just a 2-car garage. So you come in the bathroom, you have your linen closet there, dual vanity, little area over here to add, shelving or something if you want to put your towels there. Let me know what you would use this corner for. Then you have your walk-in shower there. And your walk-in closet right here. And then the toilet right there. All right, so let's go out back, take a look at this covered lanai. Let me know which one of these two you like best. I think I like the first house better. Well, I mean, I know I do because it's got a 3-car garage versus a 2. But overall, I think I like it better too. So you have a covered lanai here. Entry to the garage there, but like I said, it's locked, so I'm not gonna be able to show you that. But I will walk over here, show you what it looks like. The back side, and there's the one that we were at a minute ago. So that's the 3-car garage. We're just on the other side of the alley there, but that is the view of the garage. Once again, that is the Mapleton floor plan by David Weekley. Hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below, and if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.